Hi everyone, we're here at the HavaTech Showcase and I'm here with Brittany Vasquez from WilliamsAV Associates and WilliamsAV. How are you, Brittany?
I'm good, how are you?
Awesome, awesome. Thanks so much for coming today. We're really excited to talk about some new technology. Can you give me a little bit of an overview of what you have from Williams today?
Yeah, we have the Infinium Auracast broadcast system. It's a new Bluetooth, but for Pro AV. So it's a new chip called Auracast, and it goes directly to consumer products like headphones, hearing aids, and it goes into this transceiver, and then if you don't have any products with the chip, we also have a receiver here, so it can be ADA compliant as well.
Now, do you see that kind of down the future becoming something more standardized like Bluetooth on things like iPhones and other Bluetooth technology?
100%.
Awesome.
iPhone already have Auracast chips in the new coming phone, so we see that being the new Bluetooth, because Bluetooth makes it, so.
Right, that's awesome. So I guess overall, where do you really see WilliamsAV shining and sets itself apart from other competitors?
Definitely ADA compliance and the newest technology. Just this covers 330 feet, so it really cuts down the cost for the integrators. So I think it'll be really helpful in the future.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you so much. And where can the people find you for more information about the product?
We can go to WilliamsAV.com or LenoAV.com, either one.
Thanks so much, Brittany. Everybody go check out Leno.